Hi everyone, this is Ahmed Ali. Today I'm going to talk about Will Karaman, the fake trader, the scammer who filled the YouTube with his fake trading videos, who claim 5 digits and 6 digits. My experience goes with this guy since January 2019 until June 20 this year. This video will talk about Will Karaman inside out. I divided the video in 4 chapters. Chapter 1 will talk about my email communication with him so that I show you I'm a legitimate person, I'm a member of his community. Chapter 2, I will take you to his website so you can see yourself the tools, the material he shared with his students. And then I will take you to his Will stock trading community. Finally, I will take you to Trader Society for option tradings. To build a constructive judgment about Will Karaman, you need to watch this video until the end because it does not help we talk about him if he is legitimate person or not legitimate person. When you have a member who actually dealt with this guy for the past 1.5 years and he saw the pain and gain over this period and how he brutally treats his member inside the community and what he ended up doing right now, it's a complete shame, for anyone to join and give this guy any money. Yes, my video is detailed and I'm going to talk in detail about him. I'm sorry I'm gonna overwhelm you with these details. I am not looking for likes and I'm not looking for followers. The whole objective of this video is to save lives, is to save more victims from joining him because he's actually a scammer. He's a big scammer. We all know if you are a scammer, you are a scammer. You cannot change. I'll talk briefly about myself. I am a professional trader. I am a member of Online Trading Academy, well reputed. We have a collaboration platform and we have a trading platform and we have a clear strategy we follow. We have twice a week live trading, all of us. There is more than 5,500 traders around the world. We're talking about very well organized community. So I'm coming from that background. So this is my standard and this is my baseline that I usually compare any trader whenever I follow him or I buy his membership. When I came across Will Karaman videos, I was excited to see him trading price action because this goes very much in line with what I learned from Online Trading Academy. We trade supply and demand, pure price action, no technical trading, no technical indicators. Okay, it's a pure chart. So this actually caught my attention. And he was talking about penny stock. And I wanted to explore the penny stock because not many brokers are able to offer you these stocks. But if you learn to find someone who is experienced in this and he's successful, for me it is beneficial and it's a win-win situation. So I'm not going to take that much of time to understand what he's talking about. Plus, we're gonna spot the opportunity the minute we learn the strategy. So I started my communication with him. I received the mentoring program, is almost 4 pages. I must admit that he overcommit himself to things that he cannot deliver. Not 1/10, probably half of the 10th. All right. So I'm gonna keep the mentoring program documents in this video description so you can download it and you can see what's exactly this guy is offering. When my user account is created and I joined his website, I was shocked to see that the website is nearly empty and there is nothing there that I can use, learn, or even share or benefit. So for me that was the first disappointing factor. But while going through this bad experience, I thought to myself, maybe I'm too fast, so I should give him the benefit of the doubt and just follow his instructions. So I put time and efforts, to learn to go through his videos, to learn that these videos are publicly available on YouTube. So that every time I try to convince myself that this guy is genuine, the finding is very disappointing. And I start comparing and questioning people in the community that where I can find these 4 pages, what you guys are doing. So similarly, other members are also in pain, and you can say that 90% of the members inside his area are very frustrated and disappointed. So the next step was to create my account on his trading community, which is basically the community for for sharing his videos and learning the strategy. Then I was realized that he's using a gaming platform and there is no trading community. So he asked me to create my username password on Discord gaming platform. For the first instant, I thought he's joking, but that was true. So when I joined the Discord gaming, I couldn't see anything in the mentoring program. Whatever was written in the mentoring program is basically a hook, to hunt victims. So what are my views? Okay, and my first initial views about this, shocking experience. Number one, okay, I did one small exercise. I logged into my YouTube account. I start putting negative comments on his video description. And then I use another browser, public browser. I realized that my comments, the negative comments that I publish on him, it is not showing to public. And then I learned that this guy is shielding the negative feedback about him from public. And he selectively choose what to publish negative about him. So that, out of 10 good comments, you have 2 bad about him. Out of 20 good comments, you have 3 bad about him. Outsiders will realize that, okay, he's actually genuine. All right? So I looked at my investment and I thought that it's a waste of time, it's a waste of energy that I create a fight with him. So without paying attention, $2,000 is not a big problem for me. So I had to, just ignore it and kept my membership with him. So I decided to become a passive member. I never participated, and I start observing others inside the trading community. And I can see clearly any person, any member who come across him asking for refund, or he actually tried to trash Will Karaman on his bad service, he immediately got banned and removed from this community. So after some times, you see that this community is having 300 users. Out of the 300, 60 is active and 250 is almost dead, most of the time. So in April 25th, okay, the members start having very heated discussion with this guy. So several things matured inside this trading community. I start sensing there's a lot of steam building up against this guy. I was expecting that this guy is going to collapse very soon. Not long enough. My expectation was right. Big fight inside the community. People start requesting refunds. And on April 25th, he banned a lot of members from the community because he is broke. He is unable, to fulfill. He changed the trading community from Willpix Trading to Traders Society. Now, when we came to Traders Society, that was in April 25th, you can see the guy, Will Karaman, is not available in the community. He is busy recording video, hunting more victims. And there are 2 moderators who's actually pacing and moderating the trading, community. I don't like to call it a trading because it's not a trading. In fact, you will see it's a chatting area. And those moderator, I came to know later on that one of them is his father and the other one is his sister. So this is very shameful. If I take the mentoring program as a baseline to judge on this person and then just count the thing inside this 4 pages, I will just take the most important thing to me as a trader, what I want to see. First, I want to see a professional trading area, community, all right, where traders, moderators, and the owner of this community is all the time available. Second, so we need to have a working strategy. Why he's using this strategy? What are the pros and cons by using this? Third, there should be enough material to explain this strategy, or there is at least live webinars for the members where we can learn from him how to trade this and how to go about this strategy. This all does not exist. When you invest this way, the community grow organically. So you start hand over to the moderator, and the role of the moderator will start follow your strategy, and also try to put more videos and learning material to the students, to the member area with latest update, so that it will become an evolving community. But this is all not done. He promised to share a watch list. I never saw a watch list. You wait for the alerts. The alert is shared in a very pathetic way. There is no stop loss. How can you expect people to trade without a stop loss? So I realized that this is a big scam. And first I felt very bad for myself, and I felt also bad for others. And we received an email from him. He is switching to the new community. So we all thought that this community is going to be a better community. Maybe he decided to have a better platform, better tools, better material. He's gonna have also a better trader. For me, I wasn't expect, anything from him, because I know this guy is empty. But I was feeling very sorry for the other members who's actually joining and getting surprised. From April 25 until June, the amount of people who actually raised their concerns and they were highly frustrated, they start requesting refunds. And this is where actually the entire community got off rail. Where is this guy currently? He is actually on the run. His YouTube channel is down, his Instagram channel is down, and his Twitter account is also down. When you type his website URL, it takes you to the sec.gov. So that means he is also wanted by the sec. Nobody knows where is he. The community is right now it was before on autopilot, and still the community is on autopilot. So nobody is there, nobody is bothered, nobody is interested. You can see that the collaboration and the discussion is happening between member to member. The moderator is clueless. Everyone inside is clueless. And I think it's time that he should close this community and refund. The last message I saw from him, it was yesterday. He saying that he will refund everyone, and we should not approach the merchant to ask for the refund, because this is filing more lawsuit against him. So he is actually in big trouble. What is my humble and honest advice to you? I encourage you to read and invest a lot in yourself. This is very important. The market right now is not paying the average guy. So you need to be careful, and you need to be well prepared that whatever you earn is hard sweat. You need to keep it for yourself and your family. And you can only invest it with those people who are genuine, and they give you real return on investment. My advice about Will Karaman: stay away from this guy. Never entertain his videos. He is not worth $5. I thank you for your time. I'm gonna take you right now through the email communication so you can see everything in detail. I don't have any personal clashes with Will Karaman. The thing is that he steal our money, and he must return it back. This video is going to be the beginning. I will follow with several actions, and he need to be prepared, and I know that he is going to watch this video. He need to be prepared for the outcome, and he will be surprised. This is not a threat. This is a promise from me that I will not leave him until I receive my money back. So if he's honest and he wants to close this chapter professionally, the last thing he must do is to stand up for his problem and refund us all. All right? I wish you good luck and stay safe. I'll start sharing my emails with you so you can see yourself. So communication started with Will Karaman end of year 2018. So I contacted him, he replied back, "Thank you for submitting your application. We will contact you within the next 72 hours. And then after that, I start the communication with him on the basis that please send me the application. So he sent me the congratulations, your application is approved, and you are now eligible to take advantage of our mentorship program. Basically, there's a form that I have to fill and then send him the form back, and then he come back to me with all the music. This week, you can read here, this week we had incredible gains on shorting these stocks. Thousands made success of high level and career minded people. So he likes, to brag about nothing. Now you have been selected into a program where many have been turned away. So make the wise choice. Invest in an amazing and successful program. So here you're supposed to send me this link so that I can complete my enrollment. Money paid, okay, and application approved. And as you can see, this is all legitimate communication between me and him. All right, so basically he's saying that he left me a voicemail, which is completely fake. And then, all right, so program finalized, everything is all done. Here are the links for joining along with overview as well. Okay, mentorship program overview. I want you to pay attention to mentorship program overview. We are talking about traders will stock program. So we'll click on this to review the program. I will keep a copy of this program in the description link, so you can actually go through everything and read yourself what are the promises he's actually promising people. So we'll click. So this is will stock, as you can see, will stock picks. Okay, click funnel. This is a funnel. It's a long page. As you can see here, everything is very detailed, very thorough. You will learn, but I will take you very quickly up on everything that. So number one, what is this program? So you can go in the details and how the mentorship works. Daily and nightly watch list. All right, he's claiming that this is the most accurate watch list in the industry. Okay, live trading. So basically he's saying here strictly that he has insider information. And this is against SEC. If you read this, the most accurate. There is no such thing called accurate in the trading. The word accurate resembles that this guy has insider trading. So basically, any people can sue this guy. Live trading with Will. Never see him live trading. We receive night notification after everyone sleeps and the Discord community is completely idle. Watch Will Karaman trading live. I tried several times to join him live. The total number of members joining this program is hardly 3 or 4. So basically he does this, to prove or actually record to the public that he has done wonders. And next day morning, he shared the link in the community so everyone see what he has done overnight where everyone was asleep. Okay, so here, mentor online calls, 100 live with Will. He is unavailable, all right? And this is the biggest issue with this guy. He is never been available to anybody, all right? He brag and he simply sends solicit messages in the Discord community, but never been available to anyone. Okay, one-on-one private mentoring, forget it, never done. Access to the private mastermind mentor program chat room. There is no such thing called mastermind mentor program chat room. He's actually dreaming, and you will see yourself. Okay, and there is something called exclusive 3-step PMR. Please pay attention to this 3-step process, okay? I want to see what is this. Okay, we will go together and access his website. Okay, price alerts. Main chat, you will enjoy it because the whole community is all about chatting. You will see the actual jungle, how it works, and you will see how this community perform, all right? Okay, the students of my mentor program. Every month, Will Karaman selects 1 or 2 students in the mentor program who will have access to call and next to him personally. I don't know. He is dreaming, okay, big time. Trading system. He trades 4 or 5 systems. He's never been consistent on any broker. So every broker has his own system. All of a sudden he had a fight with one broker, and then all of a sudden we receive a message that this broker is no longer available. We are running out of stock. Please move to another, broker. Bonuses. Download Will custom filtered the stock scanners. I don't know what he's talking about. Please pay attention to this video lesson library with over 200 hours. Please pay attention because you will see yourself. The trading brain. I don't know what brain he's talking about, but let's assume that there is a brain behind what he's doing. Creating a plan, journal your trades, backtest. So basically he is committing, to provide a platform, traders, availability. You will learn how to effectively time your trades, minimize your risk, unique trading strategies. I am offering a lifetime access opportunity, allowing every participant to capitalize on highly educational program to affiliate themselves with well-skilled traders. So he's claiming that he has in his community well-skilled traders, carefully selected. You will see this together also, with the ambition to help others to reach their level of success. The list is amazing, and you will see. Make sure you read this entire email, important. Click here to log into the members area. member area broken. Okay, fine. Make sure you have saved and bookmarked this link to log into the members area. So what is this member area login and what is this, okay, link? Anyway, so here we click and we go to his, this is Will Stock. As you can see, Will Karaman, welcome to the member area. New members, create your own account. So we will just log in with my credential. Okay, so here you can see this is his website. All right, he's actually claiming that he has 200 hours. Look at this video. It's hardly 15 minutes and this one is hardly 10 minutes. This is the start of the mentoring program. This is where you will meet all the professional traders. This is where you're gonna have all the strategies. This is where you're gonna end up doing millions. This is where you're gonna receive the most accurate insider list of the industry. You can see here, Think Swarm platform. This platform has been changed probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 times with different platforms. He used it and then he switched back to other platform and he recommend using other mobile platform. So this is, you can see the orientation on the platform is mostly 6 minutes. All right. Copy this code. I don't know what is this code about. There is no even instruction how to, where to use this code and how to use it. Excel sheet. All right. Calculate your expectancy. Know how much money you need in the account. You can see that he's assuming that whoever is joining with basic knowledge or no knowledge will understand what this guy is trying to do. So let's say click on the, let's say click on the down link and let's open this Excel sheet and you will see. You can compare his promises with, so plan. Okay, let's go to the plan. What is this? All right, so you can see. Okay, let's start. Amount or size, 2,000 US dollar, risk target plan. There is no single instruction how to use this Excel sheet. What is it in the first place? How to use it, all right? There is no instruction. Drop down menus. Okay, how to use it, long or short. Okay. Trade journals, account growth, all right, daily profit target. So broker recommendation, as I said, he's suggesting 4 or 5 brokers and all of them he has made several clashes. So despite he published this list of brokers, the broker that he's using is not listed on his website. So he's recommending those brokers. He has an affiliate program with them. So he takes money on our back. But whenever we ask him which broker you use, he never disclosed this. All right. So here, need support. You can contact Will Karaman on Gmail. Live webinars. I don't know whether this section is available because his YouTube channel is completely down. So market recaps. Good that we can see some videos. So here he's talking about 200 hours. So this one is 1 hour and this one is another 1 hour. This is 2 hours. This is 3 hours, 4 hours, 5. This is 3 hours and a half. This is 4 hours. This is 5 hours. This is 6 hours. This is 6 hours and a half. This is 7 hours. 7 hours and a half. 8 hours. 8 hours and a half. 9 hours and a half. 10 hours and a half. And 11 hours. Okay, as you can see here, he's talking about 200 hours. All right. And by the way, all these videos are publicly available on his previous YouTube channel. Now, since he's got banned on YouTube, or I don't know why he closed his account on YouTube, his videos is still available and running on, Vimeo. Okay, how to identify and find the best trade setup. This is the best trade setup. So you will learn the best trade setup, okay, from 1 hour only. So this is his best trade setup. And again, this video is also available publicly. I checked it. Live trading stocks, 0. Reviewing student trades. You can see intro to answers page. Lorem ipsum. So you can see how efficient this guy is in his community. So even this page is not even attended. You can see that this is, a dummy text. All right. Download MP4 videos, download resources, download PDF. Let's try to download these resources. Wow, amazing. All right, so you can see yourself. All right, so we'll go back again because we can't access the community unless we use that link. Okay, if you don't have this link, you can't access the community. So we'll go back again, okay, to the community. So this is the most professional community, you know. This is the promise of the 6 digits. You can see the elite of the trader. Now, I will have to take you right now live. Sorry, I am being very descriptive, but I want you to see live what this guy is doing. Okay, guys, so right now I'm gonna take you to Will Stock Picks community. All right, so as you can see here from the logo, okay, this is me, this is my user account. All right, I'm active and green, as you can see here. This is Will Stock Picks. All right, so let's explore this community. Okay, what is it doing, etc., etc. All right, before we can go into anything else. So as we discussed earlier, the baseline for the comparison should be the mentoring program versus what to expect. So this is Will Karaman, you know, society, as you can see here. Okay, the details and all these things. So let us explore this. This is a dormant society right now. This is a dormant account. So he actually closed this account on 25th of April and moved to another, you know, community. The reason for him to do that, so many members had a fight, and actually one of his best friend also had a big fight with him. His name is Georgie, and I believe he could not sustain this team from almost everyone, requesting refund and stealing people's money and double charging, you know, those members, you know, credit cards. So what he did, he simply took a shortcut by removing all those complaining and frustrating members, and simply leave this community and move to another community. He's very smart, you know, in the way he actually tackle things. So let's explore this in details. What you see here on the right are the number of online users. So those online users are the same users, okay, added to the new community, which we will also visit, you know, very shortly. Now, total of online users right now, they are 61, and you can see that out of those 61, there are chat bots. So these are automated bots. He actually configured them to send rubbish information and pick alerts. But none of these are actually working in an efficient way or provide any sensible information. So out of the 61, let's count the chat, let's count the bots. So this is one bot, this is second bot, and this is the third bot, this is the fourth bot, this is the fifth bot, and this is the sixth bot. All right, so if we look at it, out of the 6 bots, all right, we have 61. So you can see that you can say that we are having almost 54 active, you know, members in his community, in this dormant one. Let's look at the dormant accounts. So those are active. See the dormant accounts. We are talking about 257, but you can see that majority of those are literally dormant or inactive for long period of time. All right, so the list is on and on. All right, poor guys. All right, and luckily that this lady, Jam Trader, I believe this is his sister, because she always tried to, you know, pace and calm people down, calm members down whenever there is a fight or a steam discussion, people asking for refund. All right, so I just want to ask you a question here before we can move further. Do you see this is a proper trading community? Do you see any sign of trading community, all right, other than these chat rooms? So let's count the number of chat rooms he actually created. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all right, 7, 8, 9, 10 chat rooms. Now the first one is for the Will Karaman. So he was last active on this May 3, 2020. All right. And he's actually telling everyone that he's actually leaving this community and moving, let's read here, in order to get the new access to the new chat room and 2 services for free. And send me an email to willkarman@gmail.com. Okay, now I do not want to bug you with too much information, but as you can see here, it's literally, you can see all his videos are, taken down from YouTube. These are the videos that he does, all right, separately, without us engaged with him. He sit at night, he record these videos, he publish them next day morning, and you can see stock market spikes. Now what? I am 58,000 put options on Tesla stock, and the list is on, so 58,000. all right, I'm sure you follow him and you see how much he's bragging about these 58, 60,000, how I lose, this is retest to the lows. Okay, so all these videos, okay, see why I invested 25,000 in one stock. All right, so you can see that all these videos are taken down from the internet. So he recorded the video overnight. No member participate in his live trading. Next day morning, we see this announcement, and everybody is surprised how he's doing all this. All right. Let's go to the real-time alert. How to trade options for beginners on Robinhood. If you haven't joined the new chat room yet, make sure you email willkarman@gmail.com. Okay? This chat room will be shutting down soon, as we are moving to a new and improved chat room with many new features, bots, benefits, and services. Fantastic. You can see here it's April 26, 2020. So whatever I showed you in the email, it is actually reflecting here. Again, no video. So this chat room supposed to be real-time alert. Do you see any real-time alert? Starting now, we are moving to a new and better chat room server again. Do you see real-time alerts? All right. Any entry, any exit? Why I believe the stock market will crash. So whatever we see in the announcement, we see it also here. Okay, this is the first alert. Bought SPY, put $280. Strike 19.27 at everyone. Expiration July 17. Expecting SPY to crash. On what basis? It will take time. Short term isn't as predictable than long term ATM. When this is on April 23rd. We all know that on April 23rd, the market, the S&P 500 was recovering. Okay, the market was in a recovery mode. All right, so let's check next. Sold Netflix. He sold Netflix puts 27.5, small win, going to continue to hold. Tesla puts strong here. Now I just want to show you that this is the real-time alert. So I'm a trader. All right, I want to benefit and I want to make money. So I have to sit in the chat room and I have to read every line he sends, and I have to follow exactly what he does by just looking at these alerts and try to understand what is this guy is trying to do, how he is speculating the market, why he is thinking that this SPY is going to crash, why X stock is rocketing, why X stock is going down. Nobody has any clue. Do you believe this is a real-time alert? Bought WFC put option at 3.5, expiration May 15, strike 32. Sold Netflix. These are the real. He thinks that people should make money and benefit from this jargon, all right, room, which is the plan. Let's see the plan. What is the plan? We start from bottom. All right, this is a bot. So here, basically in the plan, it's autopilot. All the members area, they communicate with each other, they talk to each other. Poor guys, I feel really sorry for them. But you can see, they have been left completely unattended. This guy is doing paper trading. So you can see, it's basically a jungle and you need to scout into this jungle. All right? So this community is a 6-digit. This community should bring you the 6-digit or the 5-digit, figures every month. This is where you should learn from this guy. This is where you have to spend enormous amount of efforts, okay, to receive this kind of crap, all right, at the end of the day. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, let's move to the main chat. Again, same story. So, long story short, I do not want to bother you with too much information, but I'm gonna do some, constructive search so that you can understand, okay, what went on and why people are frustrated. So we will come here and we will just type scam. Okay, let's read together. A member in his community saying that the member name is Cleven. Well, I too, like many others, feel disappointed and disrespectful after joining the program because I thought the real value is in this chat room with the daily activities from you, but it's so dead. The program does give a few nuggets here and there, but face it, it's more or less those penny stock strategies are available on YouTube. So this guy is confirming my statement that majority of what we see here are all available in YouTube. So this guy, Will Karaman is not bringing any value to the community. $2,000 isn't big of a deal, but it's hard-earned money nonetheless. And your goal and intention is great, no dispute there, but face it, you cannot do this alone. And the program itself is flow to charge one time upfront for lifetime access, as it gives you no further incentive to continue providing value for something charged once, and as the result you have neglected your fans. What you should do is subscription based and build a team to help you with. Otherwise, I agree with some people here that continue promoting penny stock program that you have grown out of. It is a scam. By the way, I quit this chat room a few months ago. Free chat room like Wall Street, bet on Reddit provides far better value, activities, and fun to follow than here. Anyway, I wish everyone best of luck. So I'm sure this is not the first one. Let's come down. Okay. Another member area. This is when it's on the February 21st, 2020. Well, this chat room is not something you can be proud of anymore. I think you had good intentions starting out, but you have failed your customers. Do the right thing and give people their money back. You are just a kid and it was worth a try, but you are not able to deliver. At the very least, stop selling your product, because at this point, it isn't working. Your chat room is falling apart and you are on YouTube more than you are in your own chat room. Continue to sell. This is 100% a scam at this point. So majority of those guys are getting, kicked out and banned. He never keep them. What he's saying, type Will Karaman scam in YouTube. So many videos, pretty funny, honestly. Same member, okay? Just got to BB, feel like you have been scammed, or personal info you are worried about. I talked to a few in this chat who have already made claims on this, company. All right. Now, this member confirms my statement. Why when you go to his website, www.tradersociety.com, does it take you to SEC scams alerts? He's on the run by the SEC. Okay, let's read more. Okay. So this guy is talking about, again, penny stock. He was longing the stock and unfortunately he couldn't liquidate because the company is fake. Marine, not being able to get out, same. We can see majority of those guys, that's basically they're claiming that these penny stocks are simply scams. Jimsy, I don't know what is his job. He can talk about COVID for almost a year. I said it's a jungle. I don't want to comment, more, but you can see that. Let's read this member. Okay, his name is Greek Fitness. Will takes entry without coming on 5 minutes prior to even say hi, students. I'm looking at you guys. If I take a position, it will be after I get this confirmation. Would be nice with it. Like to have some sort of teacher, but it seems that our $2,000 is playing money for Will to barge on Twitter, just going through rough patches and wasn't aware this was how it was going to be, a scam. Take and run. Okay, let's use another search, which is basically refund. Okay, let's jump and read. Amki Davidas. Hello, Will. I don't want to say anymore. Please refund my €375 to my bank account. And why you touch my bank account? I am sorry, angry. I am angry on you. Delete email, not answer to phone. So he's actually took his money. He's not responding to his email and he's ignoring all his phone calls. What right do you have to touch my bank accounts? Okay, at Will Karaman. Answer, what's happened? Why you take money one more time from my bank account? Will not ask me. So the guy English is not that good. Okay, that's absolutely fine. But what he's saying here, why you have have double charged me without asking. See yourself, I highlighted. Retired 55. Retired 55 wrote on 16th of August 2019. I joined and I paid this program because during that time, Will was selling the idea of mentorship in penny stocks. Second, unlimited ACA lifetime membership in using the chat room. For more guidance, unfortunately, there is a twist in the mentor's interest, and now he abandoned us who paid for the penny stock classes. In my honest opinion, the mentor should do two things: create two rooms, one for equity and one for option, refund half of our membership fees since we got his recorded strategy, which mostly were free on YouTube. So this is not me saying that majority of the videos we see, they're publicly available. So when you pay for this mentorship program, it's absolutely, you're getting nothing, because all the videos are available to public. Since we got his recorded strategy, which mostly were free in YouTube, and for those traders who are interested learning about options, that can stay. Again, retired 55 wrote on September 27 after 1 month. Alright, hi everyone. Just checking how those of you that joined, TradeNet are liking it or disliking it so far. I have not started using the funded account yet, and I am still practicing with the paper account. I noticed after my first day of using the practice account yesterday that the balance left at the end of the day was much less than the amount that I lost trading during the day. I also found some complaints online from previous users about their stops being a way off and malfunction possibly on purposes to deplete their account value. I'm still within the 14 days window where I can cancel my account and get refund according to their terms and conditions. Poor guy, he didn't know that there is no 14 days or 30 days. If you pay, you cannot get out. This is a jail. This is a very much locked community. As long as I have not started trading with the funded account yet, which I have not, my account manager keeps giving me the runaround and won't give me a straight answer to my question. Any insight would be appreciated before the window closes and my 13,500 is gone. Alright, let's continue. So you can see the pain and gain with those guys. I go back and I will repeat the same thing. If you compare the mentor program to what you see facts, let this fact be the judge. Alright, at Will Karaman, I will keep this simple. Process my refund as I am well within the 60 days refund policy. You cannot be reached through email, direct message, so I will write it out here for everyone to see. This user is no longer seen after that. Okay, slippage. The email I received, alright, before signing up said the refund policy changed to no refund. So not sure how that will work, for you. Here we see the hero in Puerto Rico. Today we'll be riding ATVs. Wow, thank you so much. In a rainforest. Of course, you know how to spend our money and enjoy your life. The Wi-Fi was so bad on the cruise, I ended up getting a refund. Very nice. I get back on Saturday, so I'll be reviewing your trades from this week on Saturday or Sunday. We should be so thankful. Greatly thankful to you, Will Karaman, for this excellent service. So enough of me. As you can see, this is again my member. This is me, AM786. So you know that this is 100% legitimate. Now, the other community I am banned from. He kicked me out and deleted my account. Alright, and he deleted all the majority of my complaints and my attack to him. So I'm using someone else's account, one of the member users. I will have to mask this member. I don't want him to get heard banned from the member area because he's doing me a favor. So we move from here again. So he was promising the moon and he was telling the people that you will see completely different new suits and blah blah blah. Again, alright, start here, announcement, tools. It's basically all about chat, introduction, suggestion, giveaway, question and answer, both leaders. Believe me, there is nothing added more other than this. He actually removed his website link because it was pointing to sec. And Instagram, you can see if I click on his Instagram. All right, let's look at the Instagram here. All right, let's see this guy. Sorry, this page isn't available, so his account is dormant. All right. Okay, we go to YouTube. Again, all YouTube is banned and blocked. Alright, completely banned and blocked. They're all dead. Again, I'm not gonna waste your time. It's basically, it's all rubbish. Alright, you can see there is nothing you can benefit from this community. You start here, I don't know what you're gonna do here. Will mission, sorry, let's read his mission. Will is on a mission to reform the education. He wants to reform the education system and plans to expand his educational company down the road in other sectors such as life, health, and wealth. Thank you, Will Karaman. I think you should be opting for the election. I think you can compete neck to neck with, with Trump. You can see announcement, same as previous. So this is him, all right, on June 22nd, after he blocked me. Click. This video is not, I watched almost 40 minutes of this video. It's disgraceful, all right? He was talking about other trader and how people are accusing him of being a scammer. He's telling people that he's still trading and he is bankrupt. All right, he is bankrupt, and you will see this in the video. All right, again. Okay, tools, mess. This is his tools. You can see this is what we should get and benefit from this trading community. Introductions, suggestions. He never takes suggestions. Again, it's all chat. It's all left and on autopilot. Giveaways, 0. Question and answer. We will come to this, and this is me. So he did not delete me from the question and answer. You can see this is my account. How to DM Will Karaman directly for a refund. All right. So this is the last message on June 21st. Bot commands. You should learn bot language for you to learn trading. All right. Leaderboard. All crap. Setup. What people trading room looks like. Setup supposed to be our setup, supposed to be our strategy, supposed to be the plan, supposed to be guidance and mentoring. Look, so disgraceful. This is supposed to, this is really pathetic. Paul, again, chat, rubbish talk, main chat. Okay, I'm not gonna waste your time so much on this. I'm sure you have seen enough. So now you have a great idea about what went on. Let's get on with the refund. So this is the story where he actually ban and kick people out. So let's search by refund. Okay, let's read here. 223 results. Okay, member called Bernard. Man, his Instagram is gone also. I'm going to request a refund. All right, this is when? Today. Today is what? Today is 24. Okay, let's move. PJ, 23 of June 23rd. Anyone I can talk to in order to get a refund? Nobody answer. The Batman. All right. Well, before you take off, get me my refund. When? June 22nd. This is the moderator. This is his father. Will has addressed the refund issue over and over again, guys. Do it through your bank. That was, is, and will always be the correct answer. Finish. Don't ask for refund. Hello, I sent messages to Will asking about refund. What's the best way to reach him? Thanks. No answer. Okay, let's see. Kevin 28, directing member for refund policy. willstockpicks.com refund policy. Let's magnify. Refund policy, the mentor program, 60-day refund policy. You have 60 days after the date of purchase to request 100% money back guarantee. After 60 days, your request for refund is no longer valid. Read. All right. Actually, this is, believe me, it's a masquerade. It's a pathetic, pathetic community. Another, Justin Murphy. All right. Well, if that's the case, then I'm definitely going to need a refund. When? This is June 22nd. I was guaranteed lifetime access to you degenerates. At Will Karaman. Reference your announcement. You say, we don't know how banks work. Why would the bank refund us when it is you that took our money and blew it in the market? All right? You say you are going to refund us, but then can't because your account is red. Let me highlight. If you are this stock market guru, I would expect you to have good idea what's in your bank and what's and understanding of how basic financial institutions like banks do not just give money away because your master plans has went off the rails. I don't care about your friends that you employed ripping you off. That was your poor judgment and ultimately not our problem. Also, to get upset at your students for waiting a refund, which is reasonable, and not smiling and nodding your bullshit when you spout your bullshit, just show you are childish and very far from the businessman you think you are. A shit, okay? You say it. I hope you get your life in order and stop ripping people off. 6 likes. This guy is also kicked. June 22nd. I should just never come back. Read. I should just never come back and refund everyone here. That's what I should do. He's confirming. All right. Again on June 22nd. Sorry, I don't give a F for what Gary V did. I'm doing me. I'm in my own head. Let everyone do what they want to do. I'm going to be worth $1 trillion. If you think otherwise, leave and get a refund. I am a realist, not an optimist. If you think I'm a superficial or optimistic, you can leave. If you think I am not humble, you can leave. I don't give, sorry for the word, I don't like to say it. Sorry, I have to read it. 80% of people here aren't worth my fucking time. That's the truth, because they think I am full of shit. Yes, you are full of shit. Yes, you are full of shit. 100%. Okay, Will Karaman. I'm thinking about how big corporation fuck people over for a living every single day. So, man, you learn from big corporation who screw people's life. And consumer kisses their ass but want a refund from me for 409 course. I am thinking about how Tim Skis does not teach and sells a 5,000 course that's 2 decades old. So actually you are telling the world your business is scamming and you want us to keep our mouth shut. You bastard, you want to use lawyer. Lawyer for what? We should get our acts and file a lawsuit against you. I'm thinking about how my so-called competition charges thousands for 1/10 of what I deliver. What did you deliver? You deliver a crap. You deliver bullshit. I'm thinking about how free chat rooms use people to pump stock. You are one of them. You don't worth a penny. I'm thinking about how Warrior Tradings is suing me for exposing the pump and dump scheme he runs. My God. Sorry, I'm thinking about joining every chat room, history, and exposing the scams they do. I'm thinking about betting against them and taking all their fucking money. How he takes advantage of us and how he make sarcastic things. You guys know me best. I am recharged, gonna be up for 4 days straight, building $1 trillion empire. But yes, collect your refunds. I don't know what to say. Well, this is your community. I cannot not issue you a refund because my bank account balance is negative. And you're doing 6-digit, man. The bank is more than happy to give you a refund. If you want your money back, give your bank a call. Tell them the exact date, name of the purchase on your billing statement, and they will refund you instantly. You are one phone call away from getting your precious piece of paper back. If you want to do it, if not, the bank's just gonna keep it because my bank account is negative. That's how you get a refund. There is no other options. I can't help you if you are not willing to help yourself. Help me help you. If it was so important, you would have done this already, but unfortunately, everyone who wants a refund does not understand how financial freedom banks work. I use the bank every single day to build more wealth for my students. It is just simple game to play. Yes, I fully agree with you. It's just simple. Please read. It's just a simple game to play. Read. Okay. Swearing at students. Go get your refund. I don't fucking care. You are the wrong student. You are not even student. You are a greedy fuck. I am done banning all these peasants now. Fuck them. They have no fucking clue the shit I go through daily. 2 of my employees are adopted. Who cares? Tell me who cares? I changed their life. Wow. And they changed my life. So what? I can do the same fucking thing for you, but you are too blinded to see. Yes, we should be thankful to you, King Pharaoh. Seriously, I believe you are a bipolar guy and you don't know what's going on, but I think you are sick. You are absolutely sick. Seriously, go get fucking education. It's free. I'm not adopted, but I sure as hell feel adopted. But I don't have feeling. I'm just robot to you guys. You are absolutely right. Believe it or not. Honestly, I don't know what to say. This is after my departure. This is all happened, all right, post June 21st. This is June 22nd, Monday. So you can see how boiling this trading room. The world must read this. If you guys want to invest with this bastard, you should read this. Where the focus of the people, where the focus of the staff is going. Read here. Fuck anyone here who wants a refund. Go fuck yourself. I give you zero fucks about your needs. Wow. Let's read again. Okay, my dad's sick in fucking bed on Father's Day and you want me to refund you when my bank is negative and all you have to do is call them and ask them for refund. Super. Okay. So this is me. Luckily he did not delete this message. But let's read what I wrote to him, and after that I got banned because he's actually banning all those who talks, huh? So no more boiling, no more steam into his room. So I wrote him, refund us and stop the bullshit. Your videos on YouTube are fake. Marketing shows that you are doing millions and 6 figures. Now you are saying your account is negative, and speaking of financial freedom, you are just a loser from day one. We trusted you on the basis you have a working strategy, but you are just an empty bag with no plans. This is the second chat room you are setting up in less than a year, dumping all those people who invested 2000k and more with you. By the way, if you put your web address in browser, it will point to the sec.gov. So you are also wanted because they know you are cheating, and that's why your Instagram and YouTube are both down. Give us back our money and stop your bullshit strategy and mind control drama shit. This is me. And after that, I was kicked out. So what he wrote to me back to the BS, refund yourself. I can't give you refund. Account is negative. The bank can play your part. And after that, I am no longer into his community. I am banned. Who's next? Take it up with the sec. Not here, I'm busy. Okay. AM786 banned. You can see AM786 banned for not following instructions. I'm not following the instructions. Which instructions? Keep my mouth shut. See you developing shitty YouTube videos, trapping people into a shitty hole, and what can I say? Chew their bones, suck their blood, and spill them like bubbles. That's who you are. Take it up with sec, not here in a busy band. Who's next? Who wants anyone else? Who's here to waste my time? Waste it now or later. Please waste my time right fucking now. I prefer now over later. Ask me anything. I'll be open for the next 72 fucking hours. Ask me any fucking thing. Smiley face. Nothing to hide. Who wants to know the password of my bank account? So this is who you are. Okay, I think I had enough of this. This is enough for everyone to see, to read, to understand what pain and gain this community is all about. I'm really sorry I took long time, but it is needed. It is a must. Good luck to all.